income loss which is going to come because of your health deteriorating for your health reasons. You got cardiac or you got kidney related issues and you cannot work like or you cannot do the same job or same business like what you were doing earlier. There is a huge income loss which is going to get affected. Mediclaim will not come and support your income loss. It will support only your medical bills. So health insurance policies will always support your income loss. So that is health insurance. We prescribe that Mediclaim policy is equal to health insurance. No, Mediclaim is Mediclaim only. Health insurance is in case of health uncertainties, we have to get a fixed benefit like 50,000 or 1 lakh or 2 lakh or 5 lakhs or 50 lakhs or 1 crore, whatever it is a fixed benefit plan. But normally we think Mediclaim as our health coverage. So even though if you take Mediclaim as health coverage, but in India currently the diseases in India are increasing and the burden of hospitalization is becoming very, very higher cost. Second thing, is everyone having enough coverage of health insurance? No, there is no, not everybody are taken adequate cover. Nowadays, we used to tell, sir, I have 1 crore health cover. It is not health cover, it is again Mediclaim cover because 93% of people who are saying that I have a health insurance, that is nothing but a Mediclaim only. We are thinking that it is health. So even if they have 1 crore cover, there are something which is called co-pay. There is something called non-disposable. All these things we have to pay from our pocket only. And if you take, suppose if any uncertainty happens due to a contingency of medical emergencies, then to manage that, we have to compromise our financial goals. I would have saved money to upgrade my mobile or upgrade my car or built a new house. I have to compromise that money, that goal for a medical expenses. So these are all the reasons why we need to seriously think about health coverage rather than apart from Mediclaim. So if you have Mediclaim, nothing wrong in it. It is very good. But what we are going to talk is over and above Mediclaim. You can also have Mediclaim. You can also have health insurance with the Tata AA. You can get coverage from both the companies. So that is what we are trying to promote. So first, let us understand what's the difference between a Mediclaim and a health insurance plan. Okay. So normally what I was telling to you is when we talk about health insurance, we generally think that Mediclaim policies are health insurance plans. No, Mediclaim policies are called as indemnity plans. Why it is called as indemnity plans? How much ever coverage you have taken. Let's say an example, you have taken a 1 crore cover and you have been hospitalized for a dengue or a viral fever and your hospital bill comes to 1,10,000. Then only to the limit of 1,10,000 your bills will get settled, even though if you are having a 1 crore cover. So to the extent of expenses, your money will be paid and maximum to the coverage what you have taken. That is called an indemnity plan. So all the medical health insurance guys who think that I have a health insurance, just think this. Yes, whatever the expenses, that only will be claimed. More than that, you will not be getting it even if you have a higher cover. Then whatever plan you are having is a Mediclaim only. But if you see health plans like Profit nahi, only Profit is available as of now. So when we talk about health insurance Profit, it's a fixed benefit plan. Say for an example, if a customer has taken 20,000 rupees of cash per day, it is 20,000. It doesn't matter which hospital is getting admitted and how much the bill is going to come. It doesn't matter to us. If he's been admitted for 10 days, for an example, if he's been admitted for 10 days, then 10 into 20,000 is 2 lakh rupees will be paid up as a cash. Whether the bill is above 2 lakhs or less than 2 lakhs doesn't matter to us. So it's a fixed benefit plan. The advantages, suppose a customer is having Mediclaim and also health plan, both Mediclaim and also Profit. Now what happens? Mediclaim, you can claim all the medical expenses by cashless. You can send all the original bills for cashless. You can get that 1 lakh or 1,10,000 rupees or whatever the hospital expenses will be settled to the hospital. At the same time, you can give photocopies of the same expenses and you can claim from Profit also. Like an example, 20,000 per day into 10 days, 2 lakh rupees, it will come to your pocket. So you can get both the benefits. You can claim in Mediclaim also. You can claim for health insurance also. Two claims you can do it for the same health issue. So because Profit is a fixed benefit plan and Mediclaim is an indemnity plan. So both are different plans. So for the same health issues, you can get covered from both the companies and you will be paid from both the companies. What is the second advantage? It is a regular premium when we talk about Mediclaim. So right now I'm 35, 40 years, my premiums might be much lesser. Say for an example, if I'm a 30, 40 years, then my premium will be 10,000 or 11,000 rupees to get a cover of 10 lakhs. But it is not going to be the same. When my age increases, then my premium also increases. When I become 50, the premium will go high. When I become 60, the premium will go high. When I become 70, the premium will go high. So whenever the age increases, the premium also increases. Even if you wanted to pay for a limited period, say for an example, I'm a super HNI. I don't want to pay regular premium for my Mediclaim or my health insurance. So I wanted to pay for next 5 years or 6 years and stop paying the premium, but I want coverage for my lifetime. If there isn't any option in Mediclaim, there is no option in Mediclaim because you have to pay every year regularly, like our car insurance, like our bike insurance. You need to pay every year after year after year if you want a cover, whether you are a super HNA or you are a normal middle class person. But when it comes to health profit, the option is having to have a limited pay also. But the problem here is every advisor, every leader used to take a limited pay option with 12 pay. Right? The reason behind is 12 pay is going to give us the highest EP and the 12 pay is going to give you the highest commission. Because of that, we always take a plan in 12 pay, profit in 12 years premium paying term, and we go and compare with regular pay, which is Mediclaim. Sir, Mediclaim is a small, if I wanted to tell it as a lemon, a small size lemon. And the profit is a big orange. You cannot compare a lime to an orange because the size matters and the product matters. Because we are comparing a plan, a limited premium plan with a regular premium paying plan, which you cannot compare at all. Because in 5, 10 years, you are going to pay your premium and you are going to get a whole life cover. But in Mediclaim, you need to pay every year for next 30 or 40 years. If you add the total money what you have paid for 30, 40 years and the amount what you have paid for 5, 10 years, the 5, 10 years, whatever premium you have paid in profit will be much lesser in the total payout. We'll see it in the next slides. So we always take a comparison in 12 pay because the commission is high. Sir, there are options that you can even pay for 15 years, 20 years, 25 years and 30 years. When you increase your premium paying term, your premiums will come down. So don't think that the premiums are always above 1 lakh and 1.5 lakhs. That is available for people who's having affordability. Somebody wanted to pay only for 10 years, somebody wanted to pay only for 5 years, then they need to pay 1 lakh or 2 lakh or 5 lakhs with limited pay option. Let them pay because they have affordability. People who doesn't have affordability to pay for 1 lakh, 5 lakh, 10 lakhs, if they wanted for 40,000, 50,000, 70,000 also, the policies are available. If you increase the premium paying term, then the premium will come down. Third thing is, if you have a critical illness plan in Mediclaim, you have to survive for minimum 30 days. Even in our PR plus, even in our PR plus or our critical illness rider, the minimum survival period is 30 days. Once the critical illness comes, he has to survive for 30 days to get the critical illness cover. But in our profit plan, the critical illness, if a customer has been affected by a critical illness, he has been diagnosed. Just today, he's been diagnosed on a critical illness. With the diagnosed report, if he survives for 7 days, eighth day he can apply for critical illness. He money. Whether he is being admitted in hospital, whether he is not admitted in the hospital, doesn't matter. If he's been diagnosed with a critical illness, with the 57 critical illnesses which has been listed, and the diagnosed report has been submitted within after 7 days of the survival, then the lump sum payout will be paid. Whether he is admitted or not doesn't matter to us. There is an option for you to select 0 days also. That means what? Today morning only is critical illness been diagnosed. On the same day, he can apply for the claim. And within 3 to 4 working days, the critical illness payout will come and hit your SB account. And the fourth point, as we are already discussed, only hospitalization is covered in Mediclaim. Nothing more, nothing less. You would have, if you, since somebody would have got admitted in hospital for a dengue or a viral, and for 1 week or 10 days, post that he is not able to go to the office or business, a small proprietorship company is not able to open the shop, then the income loss what he is going to get because of the viral fever is not going to affect only his medical bills. It is also going to affect his income for his family. He may not be able to manage the family income. He need to pay the school fees. He need to pay the monthly rents. He need to pay his EMIs. You cannot go and tell, sir, I've been affected with the fever, viral fever. I'm not able to work for 1 month, so I may not be able to pay the rent and EMIs. But if you have a mediclaim, yes, your mediclaim bill's been settled, but how you are going to manage your income loss? So for that, health plan is very, very important, because we are not only covering hospitalization, we also cover critical illness separately, hospitalization separately, surgical separately, and if you are total permanent disability due to an accident, that we pay separately. Everything is separate, separate, separate. Say for an example, today a customer is been diagnosed for a critical illness which is called cardiac arrest, and he's been emergency, he has been ambulance, he has been taken to the hospital, and he has been diagnosed that he's having a critical illness which is called cardiac arrest. So he has got a cardiac problem, so critical illness, he has chosen 0 days survival period. So immediately on the same day he can apply for critical illness benefit. Say for an example, he has taken 25 lakh rupees of critical illness. Then if he, since he has taken 0 days, this 25 lakhs he has submitted on day 0, that will be processed within 3 to 4 days, and it will hit his SB account. At the same time, he is also hospitalized on the same day for 10 days. 3 days he was in ICU and say 3 days in ICU and 7 days in normal hospitalization ward, and he also has undergone a bypass surgery. Okay, if this is the scenario, the critical illness has been applied for a 25 lakhs cover, and the 25 lakhs claim process has already started, and he has been hospitalized, and for 10 days he has taken 10,000 rupees per day. So 7 into 10,000 rupees, 70,000 rupees will be paid for hospitalization cash, and 3 days into 20,000, because double the time ICU benefit, so that is 60,000 rupees. So hospitalization cash benefit of 1.3 lakhs will be paid to him. And apart from that, he has gone for a surgery, open bypass heart surgery. He has taken a 5 lakh rupees of coverage. Entire 5 lakhs will be given, since it's an open heart surgery, it's a major surgery. So that means for surgery, he has got 5 lakhs. For hospitalization cash, he has got 1.3 lakhs. Totally 6.3 lakhs he will receive. And also a 25 lakh rupees of critical illness cover. So that means he will be receiving 31.5 lakh rupees, where his hospital bill would have been for a bypass surgery would have been a 7 or 8 lakhs. But he would have received 31.5 lakhs to maintain his lifestyle. So that's the difference between a profit and a mediclaim. And in case if the customer is also having a mediclaim, the 8 lakh rupees of bill what he can claim maximum in the mediclaim by giving the original bills. By just giving photocopies, he can also claim this 31.5 lakh rupees with us. So it's you cannot compare a health plan with a medical. The biggest problem is we think both are same plan. Our plan is having higher premium. No, completely the product itself is different. First, if we understand that, then many people will like this product, and many people will start thinking about how it will work for my age, how it will work for my family, all these things. Is there any death benefit or maturity in mediclaim? No, there is no death benefit or maturity even after you are paying for 20, 30 years. But here you will be getting a minimum sum assured of 7 times, or the fund value, whichever is higher. And in case of death and in case of maturity, you all know that we are investing in equity funds, and the equity returns are fantastically growing, and the huge opportunities of creating a health fund for his future. And should I withdraw the money only for health reasons? If you withdraw money for only health reasons, then the withdrawals are tax free. If can I withdraw money without health reasons? Yes, you can withdraw money without health reasons. Nobody is having any restrictions that you have to withdraw only for health reasons. You can withdraw for non-health reasons also. The only thing is you will be paying a 10% tax, which is LTCG, long-term capital gain tax. Whatever money you are withdrawing from your fund, not for your health reasons, then for that you need to pay 10% tax. It is not 30% and all. It will not come under income tax. It will come under LTCG, which is called long-term capital gain tax. So there is no death benefit. There is no maturity benefit in mediclaim. In profit, there is a death claim, and also for maturity which you are going to get. Let's see an example of a basic plan of a 30-year age. Arun and Akash. Arun wanted to buy a mediclaim plan, and Akash wanted to buy a health plan, which is called profit. And Arun has purchased a plan for 10 lakh rupees sum assured, and for his age, his premium is only 11,674. So he has taken a 10 lakh cover and he is ready to pay 11,674. Since his age is 30, every year his premium is going to get increased, correct? So let's understand at the age of 70, how much Arun would have paid and what is the benefit he is going to get. So if you consider 11,674 rupees at age 70, when he becomes age 70, every year if the premium is going to increase by 30 percentage, he has to pay for another 40 more years since he is only 30. When he becomes 70, he would have paid 40 years of premium. And the total premium comes to 26 lakhs 96,000 rupees. Almost 27 lakhs he would have paid from age 30 to age 70 to get a mediclaim cover for 10 lakhs. And what is the maturity is going to get, or what is the amount is going to get as death benefit? Nothing, zero. But the same way, if you see Akash, he is also age 30 and he buys a profit plan. He buys a plan for Surgery Cash of for 10 lakhs, Criti Cash 5 lakhs, Hospital Cash 5,000 per day, and annual limit of 30 days, accidental total permanent. So there are different segments. He has bought this plan. And for this, his premium is 1,86,000. Immediately we will think, sir, where is 11,000? Where is 1,86,000? Yes, Arun is going to pay for another 40 years. Akash is going to pay for only 30 years. And Arun is going to pay increasing premium. Akash is going to pay standard premium almost with the fixed payout, and he'll be paying only 18 lakhs and 60,000 rupees. When Akash becomes 70 years, when Arun becomes 70 years, Akash would have paid less than 20 lakh rupees, which is 18 lakh 60,000. But Arun would have paid 27 lakhs, which is more than what Akash has paid. But if you see the maturity at age 70, even at IRDA guidelines 8%, Akash is also having a fund of 4 crore rupees of fund value also, where Arun has paid more, but he is not having any maturity or death benefit. So let's understand whether what I'm telling is right or wrong. If you see the mediclaim premiums, it will be like this. Your premium starts with lower rates, and whenever your age becomes increasing, your premiums also will keep on increasing. So I have shown this chart. If you compare the mediclaim with the profit on premium calculations, understand if you are paying for a premium paying term, say for an example, you are entering at the age of 35 and you wanted a coverage till age 75. That means for 40 years you need to pay the premium. Your premium starts with 9,000 rupees, and while you are becoming age 75, your premium will be 75,000 rupees. And if you add the premium of 40 years, what you have paid at different ages, then you would have paid close to around 15 lakhs 41,000 rupees for next 40 years. If you divide this 15 lakhs 41,000 divided by 40 years of premium paying term, then your average premium comes to 38,000. Okay. And what will be your health fund at your age 75? Zero. Because this is a mediclaim plan. If we compare the same mediclaim plan with our health plan, which is called Profit, now I am telling it is a premium paying of 12 years, and the average premium is 1,23,000. If you check the total premium for 12 years, then it will be 14,77,000, which is much lesser than a mediclaim. But what I'm going to get at age 75, if the fund is growing at 12%, then your fund value will be 2 crores. And many people will think, sir, 40 years, okay, 38,000 premium is also okay. That is what easy for me to promote if it as a mediclaim. But a health plan profit, you are asking 1 lakh and 1,23,000 and all. How somebody can pay, sir? Who said you need to pay a 12 years premium paying term? Increase the 12 years premium paying term to 25 years premium paying term. The same product without reducing any benefit, increase the premium paying term from 12 years to 25 years. Now check the premium. The premium will be 70,000 or 72,000. Still it is more. Increase the premium paying term to 30 or 35 years. Then the premium will be 40,000 or 50,000. Now the biggest question like a Superman will have. Sir, if I'm going to sell a product of 35,000 to 40,000, and suppose this gentleman is not able to pay for more than 15 or 20 years, the policy will go for a lapsation. That is what it is going to happen in mediclaim also. You have taken for 40 years and you have paid for 35 years. 36th year, you have not renewed your premium because you don't wanted to pay or you don't have money to pay. Now, any medical emergency comes, will you get anything? Since you have paid 35 years, will the insurance company is going to give you anything? Nothing. The policy is lapsed. But in profit, policy is able to fund for your expenses. Your fund is able to manage your expenses for the mortality, your policy runs. It will not get lapsed. So, for an example, instead of 12 pay, if a customer is choosing a 30 years premium paying term or 36 years premium paying term, then the premium will be 40,000 or 50,000. And he has paid for 15, 20 years. Post that, he is not able to pay his premium. Now, what will happen? Since he has paid 15, 20 years, his fund also would have grown. And after that, he can withdraw from the fund and he can pay the premium for his own policy for the remaining 15, 20 years. So it doesn't mean that 35 years means 35 years he need to pay the premium. Even if he is able to pay premium for 20 years, the remaining 15 years, the policy itself will fund for his policy. And also you will get a huge maturity benefit also. So that is what we wanted to discuss today on SurgiCash, CritiCash and HospiCash. These are all the three riders which is available under this. I also wanted to show something because the time is very limited now. The time is 9:10. In next 5 minutes, I'll hand over session back to Rajesh. The reason behind we have morning huddles and we are in the verge of the month June. Next 5 days, we are going to end our month June. And we have a fantastic contest called Distribution Contest, which is also going to get ended. And a beautiful advisor contest has been launched, which is Power Hit, which every 1 lakh rupees in, because this is a product eligibility criteria. Many people have confusion whether which country is available, sir, NRI, whether it is available for other reasons, all these things. And this is what we are looking into. I think this is an older slide. You can take the ATPD is 5 crores. That is correct. Maximum limit. HospiCash limit is minimum 2,500 and maximum 40,000 per day. It is not 20,000 per day. Now that is been increased to 40,000 per day. Same way, SurgiCash, it is not maximum of 10 lakhs. You can even get 20 lakhs as SurgiCash maximum limit. And CritiCash, maximum you can go to 5 crores. It is not 2.5 crores. This is the older slide, but you can take a screenshot. Only these changes are there. And you also wanted to know whether education is important. There is no educational importance if he is not an illiterate. If he is not an illiterate, you can sell this policy. As simple as that. See the second point, minimum education. Allowed for all, yes, other than illiterates. Minimum income. Just his income is only 2 lakhs. That is also declared income. If you are going to buy a lesser coverage, then there is no income proof is required for lesser coverages. I will also show when the company will ask for income proofs. When your sum assured increases, like a term plan and all, like a savings plan also, we ask for income proof like that. We also ask for income proof here. For if your sum assured increases, I also show that. Okay. And whether it is available under employer-employee, yes, it is available under employer-employee. You can buy this product under Scheme A or Scheme B also. Is it available for POI, NRIs and OCIs? Yes, it is available. Only changes, he has to be, the NRI or OCI should have a annual income of 10 lakhs and above. That's the only condition. And whether it is available for GCC countries like Saudi Arabia, Dubai, Kuwait, all these things, yes. The only difference between normal NRI and Saudi countries is for normal NRIs other than Saudi, they can, if they have 10 lakh rupees of income and they are not graduate also, no problem, we can give. But only for GCC countries, they should have an annual income of 10 lakhs and also education proof as graduate. Now let us see, you can take a screenshot of this. Now I'm going to show which are all the countries we can sell profit. So including India, there are 50 countries. Including India, 50 countries we can sell profit. So let me present the 49 countries now. This is the 49 countries where you can sell for NRIs, OCAs and POIs profit. And today morning, I got a call that one of the Singapore customer liked this product. Sir, in our country, we don't have these kind of products. There are products which is costlier like profit, and it is equal to an Indian mediclaim policies. But your product is a fantastic product which also invests in Indian equity market, and also it gives a lot of other benefits. So I'm very much interested, and the customer is willing to pay 5.4 lakh rupees is the premium the NRI customer is going to buy from us from Singapore. Today it will get logged in. One of the branch today, a branch manager and the cluster had called me and checked with the details. So I said, yes, it is available. So for them also, I'm just presenting this. So these are all the countries you can take profit. of any countries. So this is point number one. And I also wanted to show another thing which is called special lives. People always ask me whether students above 18 years, because less than 17 years they can be added in the joint life family floater. But suppose if any of the daughter or son is age above 18, they may not be get added on the family floater because they are above 18. So for them, is there any policy? Yes, you can take special lives for student above 18 years. Also, you can sell this product. For retired life, also you can sell this product. For housewives, also you can sell this product. For agriculturalist, also you can sell this product. So these are all the special lives. Student above 18 years without income, housewives without income, agriculturalist without income proof, retired life, there is no fixed income post after only the pension what they are going to get. There are options that you can even sell products to these lives also. So take a screenshot of this. And next, which I wanted to present is the non-medical limits. Majority of the people ask me, sir, what is the medical limit for this plan, sir? I have a customer, he doesn't want to go for medicals. So this is what the medical chart for you. How much criticash you can take for different ages, how much surgery cash you can take for different ages, how much hospi cash you can take it for different ages. So this is the plan which you can give with non-medical limit also, if you are going to choose the right coverages. If you are going to choose higher coverages, then obviously the medical will come. Okay. So you can also take a screenshot of this non-medical limits. Last but not the least, financial underwriting. Many people ask me this also, sir, how much the income they should have for a critical illness cover and for hospi cash cover. This is the rule. This is the rule which says about for criticash, if your age is 18 to 35 and your sum assured is less than 1 crore, then your annual income into 12 times you will take it into consideration. That is the maximum cover you can take it under criticash. Suppose if you are going for a coverage more than 1 crore, then if your age is 18 to 35, then your annual income into 5 times only will be given. So this is also, you can take a screenshot. This is what the maximum criticash which will be covering. And when it comes to ATPD cover, ATPD cover sum assured you can give from 3 crore to 5 crore with a standard income proof is mandatory. Less than 3 crores, that is not important. For sum assured of 3 crore to 5 crore, the following income multiples will also be applied for ATPD, which is for 18 to 60 years, your income is multiplied with 15 times to get a ATPD cover. For above 60 to 65, your income is multiplied for only 5 times. AML rules, proof of source of income will be required only for AML proofs. Okay, if it is AML rules, non-salaried premium more than 10 lakhs, you need to provide income proof. AML rules, if you are salaried and the premium is more than 20 lakhs, you need to give the income proof. And high risk customer, if your premium is more than 5 lakhs, you need to give income proof. That is because of the AML guidelines. Annual income will be called by justifying the premium paying capacity if the premium exceeds 50,000. That means, as we already told, the minimum income criteria in this product is 2 lakhs. And you say that the customer's income is 4 lakhs and the premium is coming to 2.5 lakhs in profit itself. The company will not give you, because 4 lakhs out of 4 lakhs, how you can pay 2.5 lakhs as premium. So you have to understand the basic content. Otherwise, this is the financial underwriting for this particular product. So this is what we wanted to present today. Hope today's session would have given you some ideas about how this product works and what are all the opportunities which is available in Mediclaim. And this is one of the beautiful product. If you understand this product, and many people started utilizing the opportunity of the market. Right now, there is zero competition. There might be companies coming out with the same product, same kind of in a 3 months, 6 months, 1 year period of time. During that time, the competition will become higher. Then only we would have missed an opportunity. Okay. So that is from my end, and we may not be able to take the doubts. You can call